enough. Good morning. You just come out and called him What's going on? He thinks I'm having it off for somebody else. Are you? No, definitely not. He said that you are the love of his life. Yeah, so he says, yeah. And it's been amazing, but you've stopped being amorous. And so what's wrong with that? What? Not for me to argue. Twice a day, you know what I mean? What's going on then? Why have you said I can't be bothered with it? Well, what he wants. Why? 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 Why about it? Why? I just want to go to sleep. Why? I mean, watching Jeremy Kyle all day long and go to sleep, that's what... Yeah. He wants to make love to the woman of his dreams. I can't be bothered. How does that, on a serious note, Fred, it doesn't make him, tell her how it makes you feel.
It makes me feel rejected, doesn't it?
Rejected?
You've never
told him you love him? Don't think so, no. Why not? That's serious. Don't think about it. Well, you think about him? No. Do you love him? No. You don't love him? Bring me through this, no. Through what? Being on your show, trying to see if I'm cheated on him. Have you? No. Do you understand that if a man or a woman loves their partner absolutely and they seem to switch off, that they're going to think the worst of you? I mean, say you have it off for somebody. I know that. But why are you not wanting to be closer to him? In what way? How close does he want me to get? Well, I don't know. Ask him. I'm not sure. How close do you want me to get? How close?
show me that there you go.
Yeah, whatever. Do you love him? I did. So you don't want to... Why are you staying with him then? I don't know. Just part of the furniture now. That's actually really sad, and he's upset. He's upset. He's upset bringing me all this way, right across down to Manchester. Prove that I'm cheated. You're going to be wrong.
Oh, no shit then.
Going to be wrong. Do you talk anymore or not? No. I don't really know what to do, Greg. So you don't talk, you're not physical, and he's just like a piece of old furniture.
Yeah.
Well, we've gone far, really. Yeah. Don't you think about sitting there? Who is it? Must be doing it somewhere else. Must be doing it there. You must be doing it there. I mean, you can sort of have a point there. Before I go to the results, Donna, your mates in the audience. Donna, you know the couple well. You told us earlier this isn't a short-term thing. He's been on at her for years. What do you mean by that? Just all the time. She don't go nowhere. She doesn't do nothing. And in the end, what you say is, I'm so constantly accused, I'm not interested. I'll switch the tap off because you don't trust me anyway. Let's do those double lie detector results. She told us this morning he's been going on about this for years. We'll start with yours, Fred.
Yeah.
69 years of age, 35 years together. I'm going to say actual age, that's not the words. This is Tony Richard already. Yes, actually, this is the house. He said that because he was telling the truth. Fred is telling the truth on every single question. Well done. She went. Well done. I'll give a damn. How long has he been in your ear about this? Oh, don't know how long. A couple of years. You said longer, Don, right? Could be longer, yeah. Do you honestly think she's a cheat? No. Well. Since the start of your relationship with Fred, have you had sexual intercourse with anyone else? You said no. Why'd you say no? I'm telling the truth. Of course she was telling the truth, Fred. Get here. No, I don't want to do that. I want to know what this has done to you, because this is the reality, Fred. You have been... This is it now. This is it. I don't care about you. I don't care about you for what you put me through. Don't write. Bye-bye. Bye-bye. Is that it?
Yeah, all right, Jerry, don't worry about it.
Can I get my friend, all right? Jerry, don't worry about it. Listen. What? It's pretty obvious what he's put you through. Stop right there. Have you apologised to her?
Well, I haven't told you. Well, I will do, yeah.
It's too late for that now. You should never be here. I told you. You wouldn't be here unless you loved me. you straight. It's not that dumb.
Are you saying you're not going to be with him after 35 years?
I can't. I've got to have a break. I've got to have a break. I even asked one of your researchers, told Jeremy to send me on a break.
Well, so you want me to send you on holiday now? Listen, if it was me, I'd be grovelling big time for a long,
It
long
wouldn't actually
time.
ruffle.
Try now.
You
So
know you've done them by doing it. You know you've done them by doing it. Freaking 8 grandchildren. Don't go out. You still do this to me. Right.
I'm leaving you with Graham. Give me a round of applause. Goes to prove whatever your age and however long you've been with somebody, you need to communicate. She said, I have been nagged for years. It's done my head in. We'll work with them. We hope, for their sakes, we can make it work. I'm out of time for this morning. If you want to be on the show, you need my help. Visit our website. The details are on screen.